Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to log out of Brawl Stars account considering that you have already connected it to your Supercell ID. So first, log in inside the game, and then after having inside the game, you will see this hamburger icon in the top right corner of the screen. I want you to click on this icon. And then as you can see here, these are the settings: battle log, leaderboards, brawl, inbox, friendly battle, and lastly is our Supercell ID tab. I want you to head into the settings in order for you to finally log out your account. And then after heading inside the settings, you will see the Supercell ID icon in green tone. I want you to click it, and then it will show our Supercell ID account interface. So we just need to log out, so we just click the gear icon in this, and then click the log out button. And then as you can see here, we have log out our Brawl Star account. And that's how you can log out your Brawl Star account, and thank you for listening.